The beautiful thing about tortilla de maíz is like it's a very romantic food because it's simplistic in its form. Essentially like 2 ingredients, 3 if you want to add salt. But it has like such meaning to me. My mom is from Tamaulipas, Mexico, and my dad is from Jalisco, Mexico. I remember going to Mexico and visiting my grandfather, and he lived right on the corner of this tortilla shop. So we'd walk over and he had the ladies like stacking tortillas in the parchment paper, and so you're like walking back to your house with like a stack of tortillas and just like nibbling on them. I grew up on this like idea that corn tortillas were made fresh. I feed it to my kids, and it's like a beautiful kind of tradition that I want to keep going in my family. I want them to grow up on that. It's like a staple, it's a vessel, it's a story within itself. Yeah, I feel very passionate about a tortilla de maíz.